Hey friends, today I'm going to be using a crowbar to remove a nail. So this is just a little pry bar or crowbar. It's a smaller one, kind of handy. You see a lot of these around construction sites and stuff. And has various ways of removing the nail. So this one, we have a nail right here, and it's not in all the way. Just left the head out so I could remove this easily. So one way is to you just get it under there and you can pry this way. Good golly. Okay, so we broke off the head of that nail. This is really hard wood. You gotta be careful. Always wear safety glasses. So another way, if this one's not working, just popped off the top of that. You can try this way, going at this and kind of hitting downwards, but we don't really have a lot to grab on there. So we also have the triangle part here, or the teardrops part there. Kind of get it in there and lift up. But the head on our nail is gone. So we can use this a different way to get it out, and that is you kind of get it in from the side, and then you want to bend it, like pull it towards you. Now this is in there really good. So good that I don't think I can, there's nothing to grab onto here for this, so it's going to be tough to get that out of there. If you do happen to have some vice grips, we can try that. Click your vice grips onto there. So just any port in a storm. If you don't know how to use vice grips, I made a video on that, and you can kind of bend this, rock this back, and good golly, that is no joke right there. Okay, so we got it out some of the way. This is super hard wood right there. So once you have it out, like if you do pop off the head of the nail like I just did, you can try to get it back the other way like that. And if that's not working, you can attach something to the top like some vice grips. So that becomes the new head on the nail, and then you can try to pull that out like that. Okay, so vice grips are super handy. If you don't have a pair, I highly recommend you get some. I use these all the time, as you can tell. So yeah, turned out to be more of a vice grip demonstration, but definitely some tools that you might need when trying to do a little demo, take out some nails or whatever. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.